Alright guys, I get so many questions about, what to use to fill, what type of adapter or something like to use for filling my lighter. Well, for one thing, I don't know, okay? Because it all depends on the type of lighter and type of valve system it got in. So what I'm going to do right here is just kind of go through a few valves that I have and try to give you guys an idea, okay, of what you can use to refill your lighter, okay. The first thing I want to go through, the first valve I want to go through, is your standard valve. And this is what I call your standard fill valve. You see that one with a hole in the middle of it, all right? You can see that on anything. Even though this lighter here, see that? It's got a hole in the middle. This is what I'm referring to when you got a refill with a hole in the middle. Alright? Now you notice these have rubber around it, okay? What that does is keeps the butane tip, so to speak, of your, right here, keeps it around, from leaking. And once in a while, what I'll do is I'll put some rubber on the end of this, like some silicone rubber tubing you can get off of eBay, and just kind of, when you can't find the perfect, not all of them got rubber around them, like this one here. Alright, but I find that that these here plastic ones, means they got kind of a beveled interior, kind of like a little tapered, if you will, interior. They have a tendency to fill like these holes. They have a tendency to fill them a lot better. All right. Now, if you got, if you use the metal ones, then get on eBay and get you some of this silicone tubing. I can't think of, you say, well, what am I going to need? Guys, don't, it's not rocket scientists here, I mean, it's not anything that's seriously, the only thing it's not anything serious. But look, I presume the average tube on these is going to be 3. Okay, look at there. It looks like it's over 3. First off, let me zero this. Looks like it's 2.78. So get you some 2.5 ID silicone tubing. 2.5 ID or 2 ID, and just kind of like, just put it over this, and once you get it on there, you're kind of just going to have to push it on like that, then cut it off. Leave yourself a little bit of gap. Alright, what that does is when you come down over your lighter, it hits the bottom of your lighter, you're pushing, you won't get as much gas escape. Okay, so that's what I use if I've got a particular style. Maybe I don't have the right adapter. All I have to do, there's some of these lighters out there, and I think they're Marumans, M-A-R-U-M-A-N. Let me get a pin out here. I want to draw you something. They got a valve. Now, they got a valve. It's I don't have to pause this.